Hello students, Sairam. Hope you all must have done your exams well. Okay, now coming back to our subject. Today again we'll be doing chapter 2, 4 operations, and today we'll be doing part 10. In the last class we have already done some multiplication sums, simple multiplication sums using the tables. Today we'll be learning to find the product of 5 to 6 digit numbers. So let us start with an example. Now here the number is 3,62,175 multiplied by 948. Okay, so we'll start from the ones place. 5 8s are 40. Write the numbers one below the other properly. 7 8s are 56 plus 4 60. 6 here. 8 ones are 8. 9 10 11 12 13 14. So 1 carry over. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. 1. Be very careful. 6 8s are 48 plus 1 49. 4. 3 8s are is 24 plus 4 28. So we are finished with this number 8. Now we will come to the number 4 in the tens place. So in the ones place you will put a 0 here. Now since you are finished with these numbers, you can just cancel this so that you don't get confused. Now 4 5s are is 20. 2 to be carried out over in the tens place. 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. 4 2s are is 8. 4 6 are 24. 2 carry over here. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. So we are finished with the number 4. Now coming to the number 9, which is in hundreds place. So in the ones place you will put a 0. Tens place you will put a 0. You have finished with this number, so you can just cancel it. 9 5s are 45. 4 carry over here. 7 9s are 63 plus 4 67. 6 carry over here. 9 1s are 9 plus 6 15. 1 to be carried out in the thousands place. 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19. 1 carry over here. 9 6 are 54 plus 1 55. 5 carried out in the lakh place. 9 3s are 27 plus 5 28 29 30 31 32. Now what you'll do is you have finished with all the numbers, you will add it. 0 here, 0 9 121. 2 carry over here. 10 19 plus 5 24. 2 over here. 8 plus 2 is 10. 19 23. 2 here. Okay, 9 10 11 12 13. 1 2 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 3. So place the comma. 34 crore 33 lakh 41,900. So you can just check your answer from the next slide after you are finished with your multiplication sum. Now coming to the next sum, that is find the product of 8,920, 306 and 1,754. Now children, here there are 3 numbers. So we have already learned the properties of multiplication. So according to the associative property, we'll arrange the numbers. First we'll multiply any 2 numbers. So here I have taken 8,920 multiplied by 1,754, and from that product we'll multiply the number 306. Okay, now let us multiply these 2 numbers, that is 8,920 multiplied by 1,754. So we'll start from the ones place. Okay, now 4 into 0 is 0. 4 twos are 8. 4 nines are 36. 3 carry over here. 4 eights are 32 plus 3. So 3, 34, 35. Yes. Coming to the number in the tens place 5. So in the ones place you will put a 0. 5 into 0 is 0. 5 twos are 10. 1 carry over here. We have finished with this. We'll cancel it. 5 nines are 45 plus 1, 46. 4 here. 5 eights are 40 plus 4, 44. Coming to the number in the hundreds place. So ones place you will put a 0. Tens place you will put a 0. 7 into 0 is 0. 7 twos are 14. 1 carry over. We are finished with this. So we'll cancel it. 7 twos are 14. 1 carry over here. 7 nines are 63 plus 1, 64. So 6 carry over here. 7 eights are 56 plus 6. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Yes. So we'll write the number 62 here. Now coming to the number 1 in the thousands place. So ones place you will put a 0. Tens place you will put a 0. Hundreds place you will put a 0. Again now start with 1. 1 into 0 is again 0. 1 twos are 2. 1 nines are 9. 1 eights are 8. Now what you have to do, children? We will add all the numbers. Yes. 0 here. 8 here in the tens place. 6. 15. 1 carry over here. 14 here. 9, 10, 14 and 6. 2, that is 16. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Correct? 5 here and 1 here. So place the commas. 1,56,45,680. So now with this product of these numbers, what you are going to do? You are going to multiply the number that is 306. Correct? Am I right? Yes. So you can check the answer from here, and then with this product you will multiply the number 306. So coming to this, we will multiply this number. Okay, start from the ones place. 6 into 0 is 0. 6 eights are 48. Do carefully number wise. 4 carry over here. 6 6 are 36 plus 4. 40. 4 here. 5 6 are 30 plus 4, 30. 4. 3 here. Then 6 4s are 24 plus 3. 27. 6 6 are 36 plus 2. 38. 3 here. Now 5 6 are 30 plus 3. 33. 6 1s are 6 plus 3, that is 9. Now you all know, children, any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. So you can skip this second line because all the numbers will be 0. Or you can just write 0 everywhere and then continue with the next number. Now since here it is 0, since all the numbers are going to be 0, we'll directly come to the number in the hundreds place. So the number in the hundreds place is 3. So we'll start with ones place you will have 0. Tens place you will have 0. Since 3 is in hundreds place. So 3 into 0 is 0. 3 eights are 24. We're finished with this. So you can just cancel it. 2 here. Okay. 24, 2 carry over. 3 6 are 18, 20. 2 carry over. 3 5s are 15, 17. Plus 2 is 17. 1 carry over. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. 1 carry over here. 6 3s are is 18 plus 1, 19. 1 carry over. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16. Quite a long multiplication. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, that is 4. Now you can add it. Quite a big number. Yes, 0 8 0. Again 8 7 15 here. 1 carry over. 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. 9 plus 1 9 is 18. 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 4. So place the comma. So first, okay, so we have carried out the multiplication with the product of the first number. So this is how you have to carry out the multiplication very carefully. So coming to the exercise sums, we'll be doing some exercise sums from 2.4. Yes, the first sum is 16,305 multiplied by 248. Now this exercise sums you have to copy down in your notebook. Okay. Whatever the assignment sums I'm giving, you have to do it in your homework part. So we'll start with this multiplication. Now I think you are very much thorough with the multiplication, how to multiply it. Again here we'll start with the ones column. Okay, 5 8s is 40. 4 here. 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 3s are 24. 2 here. 6 8s are 48 plus 2 50. 8 1s are 8 plus 5 9 10 11 12 13. Just written 13. Coming to the number in the tens place, which is 4. So what will you do? In the ones place you will put a 0. 4 5s are 20. You are finished with this. 2 here. Again 4 into 0 is 0 plus 2 2. 4 3s are 12. 1 carry over here. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. So 2 to be carried out over here. 4 1s are 4 plus 2, that is 6. Yes. Now coming to the number in the hundreds place, that is 2. So in the ones place, tens place, you will put a 0. 2 5s are 10. 1 carried out over here in the tens place. 2 into 0 is 0 plus 1 1. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 1 carry over here. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, that is 3. So you will just add all the numbers. Okay, so your answer will be 0 4 6 3. Here 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So place the commas. Yes, so this is your answer. Okay. Now same way we have done the D sum here. Same way multiplication I have carried out. You can just do the multiplication on your own and just check the answer from this slide. The same way each number I have multiplied and carried over the number. The circle numbers are the carryover numbers. You can just do the multiplication sum and copy down in your notebook. Same way we have done the F sum here. Now here in the F sum there are 3 numbers 9541 into 382 into 75. So what we have done here is we have first multiplied the first two numbers, that is 9541 multiplied by 382. So by 2 if you multiply you will get this answer. By the number 8 if you multiply you will get this answer. And from the number 3 if you multiply you will get this answer. Okay. Now the same way we have done with the product of the first two numbers. I have multiplied the number 75. Okay, now you can just check the answer after doing the multiplication. You can just check the answer. Now coming to the next sum, K sum, here it is 79,843 multiplied by 621. So when you multiply this number by 1 you will get this. 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 7s are 7. So go step by step. When you carry the multiplication from 2, 2 3s are is 6, 2 4s are is 8, 2 8s are 16. So 1 is carried over here. 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. 1 is carried over here. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. Same way when you multiply by the number 6 you will get this answer. So you will add all the three numbers, then place the commas. If you want you can read the number. It is 4,95,82,503. Now based on this sums multiplication, some home assignment sums are given. You have to solve it in your homework part and then just practice all the sums. So in the next class we will be doing the next topic on multiplication. Till then, thank you and goodbye.